put it in a hole, not the last one, okay, in here, slip knot, take this end through the hole,
Mm-hmm.
10, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on mark. Don't use that last one. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't. Can you see the holes? Can you? So
Yeah, you can see.
You know, it's like what I'm counting is
that.
Yeah. Loops, holes, and they have to keep. You know, so then it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's like a crochet chain.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. It's an inverted using the part that's tethered.
Right. So it should be like that, right?
Yep. So then when you put your dowel through there, you know, I'm looking at it. I don't want to, you know, that way. The thing's on top. You can see this is, see how this one's on top. I do them all the same. That one's on top. And that one's on top. And then when you pull,
they're equal.
Yeah. And then you can't have them, you know, you need them perpendicular. Perpendicular. Making sure that these are all, they should be exactly right. So that when you, it's straight with the bar. And then we're going to tether this to here.